Hello squad, nice to see you part of today's video. In this bonus episode, we want to calculate 5,334 divided by 21. To do this, we change this horizontal division sentence into the standard algorithm. First, we draw the division bracket, then move 5,334 inside the bracket. This is the total we are dividing. Finally, move 21 to the left of the bracket. This is our divisor. The answer to our division will be written right here on top of the bracket. This is called the quotient. Let's look at the first digit of our number inside the house. Is this 5 big enough for 21 to fit inside? But in our case, we found that 21 is larger than 5. So we must take the next digit too. How many 21 are in 53? The answer is 2. Now multiply 2 by 21, which gives us 42. Draw line and subtract 53 minus 42, which leaves us with 11. Now we bring down the next digit, 3, and this makes our new number 113. How many 21 are in 113? The answer is 5. Now multiply 5 by 21, which gives us 105. Draw line and subtract 113 minus 105, which leaves us with 8. Now we bring down the next digit, 4, and this makes our new number 84. How many 21 are in 84? The answer is 4. Now multiply 4 by 21, which gives us 84. Draw line and subtract. The subtraction result is 0. The last result is 254. And this is our final answer for this problem. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.